this, but then I decided that I guess I should record it. So I'm getting ready to do my makeup for a photo shoot. So I was gonna book a professional photo shoot, but that's like around $200. Basically I'm turning 21 next week, right? So I was trying to have, you know, some birthday photos, but I can't afford to do the whole 9 yards. So basically I'm gonna be doing an at-home photo shoot. So yeah, my bae's gonna take pictures of me. So I'm getting ready to do my makeup. I'm super excited because I went to Sephora on Black Friday and then I went to Sephora this past Friday. So on Black Friday, I got this Urban Decay long-lasting makeup setting spray. And then I finally, y'all, I've been needing to get some powder. Yeah, so this is what I got. This was like 25 or 30. This was mad expensive for how small it is, but it works really well. I normally don't ever buy expensive makeup. I always buy drugstore makeup. I finally got some Fenty Beauty. Finally. Like, I know I'm mad late, but I got the foundation. My shade is 420. So I'm super excited to try this. Literally, if y'all have watched my makeup videos, the only type of foundation I have ever used is stick foundation. And I'm about tired of it because I want more coverage. I just want to look beat, you know? So, boom. That Fenty Beauty! Yes. Okay. And then, freaking Sephora. Shout out to y'all. Y'all are so cute. They gave me a little birthday gift. And so I got some Bite lipstick, and I already used this, but I never used primer, and so the lady at Sephora recommended I get primer. So this is the Hangover 3-in-1 Too Faced Primer. Let's get started. 21st birthday. I'm going to Vegas. So it's currently finals week, and I literally have a paper due in the morning that I haven't started. Morphe. Is it Morphe or Morphe? I really don't even know. But I freaking love their palettes. My goal is not to break any of my nails before Vegas. And I literally just cut them so they can all be even. I just said that because I almost broke it just now trying to open this palette. So this is what this one looks like. So this is the one with less of the glitters. They're kind of like fall colors. So this is like mostly glitter. I'm going to probably do a cut crease with some glitter. I really do not know how I'm about to do my makeup. I'm gonna just do something random. Now, I sit and wait, and I can't look up. I either need to close my eyes or look down, because if I look up, all of this will get stuck up here. So I'm gonna just sit and hold this for a couple of minutes. finished my cut crease. You can't really tell like that it's glittery on the camera because it looks the same as the concealer, but this is glitter. It's glittery eyeshadow. It's not real glitter, but glittery eyeshadow. But yeah, so the moment we've all been waiting for. Boom. I asked the lady at Sephora what I should put this on with, and she said she recommends a beauty blender. So I normally put my foundation on with a brush, so I'm gonna go ahead and do what she says and use this beauty blender that I got from Marshall's. I've never used it before. It was like $3.99. Super cute. It's like a little diamond. Do you shake your foundation before you use it? I don't know. This feels really nice. So far, I already like it way better than my stick foundation. Like, it's definitely a move. Now I'm getting ready to put some concealer on. Honestly, my face actually feels like really dry right now. I normally have oily skin, so I feel like I don't even need to use this. That's why I can't have nice things. I literally just got this thing and dropped it. Alright y'all, how cute is this? It's like a little thing to put your powder on, I guess. I think I'm gonna use this beauty blender to put this powder on. Alright, let me put this eyeliner on. We're gonna see how this goes because you know how when your eyeliner's getting dry, how it doesn't really come out right? Well, that's where I'm at right now. So. So now I'm moving on to my lashes. These are the lashes I'm gonna be using. They're called Glam Volume Sexy. I don't know. I got them from Amazon and they're super cute. So I just put glue on my eyelashes, so while I wait for those to dry, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my highlight. I freaking love highlight. Okay, y'all, so I am finished. I am ready for my photo shoot. I am going to put some lip gloss on, but I'm probably gonna eat some snacks or something, and I'm about to blow up some balloons for the photo shoot, so I'm gonna put that on later. But yeah, this is the final look. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if y'all want me to do more makeup tutorials. I can do a more detailed ones, I guess. Let me know what you want to see. Thank y'all for tuning in, and y'all have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Love y'all so much. It's been TNT. Listen, I'm trying to be fly. I'm turning 21. I gotta be fly. So I need to have something that nobody else has on. We're about to go to Melrose now and like go to some boutiques. He always be on Melrose. I don't go to Melrose like that, so I don't know what we about to find, but